Two girls grew up in the same small room, same hand-me-down, same cracked tile floor, same cold winter, same hard rules, same slam doors and unpaid scores. One said life keeps breaking me, the other said let's wait and see. First one woke with an ache each day, back, knees, neck, something always wrong. Doctor's notes and a bottle of blame. Every story ended where it began. People cut in line, took what they could. She said they would if they only understood. The other scraped up her bloody knees, missed her marks, failed hard and loud, cried in the dark, swore she was done, then showed back up, chin still proud. Every fall taught her where not to stand. Every scar put strength in her hands. It ain't luck that carries you through, it's what you choose when the fall comes due. One waits on mercy, one stands alone. One builds walls, one builds bones. Same storm above, same ground they're on. She ain't the lucky one, she's the one who doesn't give up, moves on. One says, why is this always me? Counts every slide, every crooked deal. The world's a thief in her tired eyes, and pain's the proof of what she feels. She wears her hurt like a shield and crown. Every chance dies where she lays it down. The other signs up when odds look bad, trusts her gut more than comfort does. Gets burned, learns quick, pays her dues, keeps stepping forward because she must. She don't deny when the hurt cuts deep, she just don't let it tell her who to be. It ain't luck that opens the door, it's standing up one time more. One says I can't, one says I'll try. One lets the moment pass her by. Same past, same blood, same sun. She ain't the lucky one, she's the one who doesn't give up, moves on. Funny thing about pain and choice, they both grow louder when you listen close. One feeds fear till it runs the show. One feeds courage slow and low. Years roll by and the lines are clear. One still waiting on fair and kind. The other's weathered but standing tall, built a life out of a stubborn mind. If you ask her how she got so far, she'll say I failed and I learned who I are. It ain't luck, it ain't grace alone, it's the thoughts you keep when you're on your own. You can be a victim of every fall, or use that ground to learn to stand tall. Same world, same fire, same sun. She ain't the lucky one, she's the one who doesn't give up. She's the one who becomes someone. Two sisters, same start, different ends. It all came down to what lived in their heads. Life didn't choose which one would win, they chose what they'd become back then.